Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Garden Fun Times. Today, we are going to be learning about lettuce. Let us talk about lettuce. In this video, you will learn about the types of lettuce, preparing to plant lettuce, germination and growing conditions, transplanting and spacing, watering and fertilizing, common pest issues, and some bonus tips. So if you want to learn how to grow your own lettuce and keep it nice and fresh instead of buying it from the store and have it die in the back of your refrigerator, please keep watching. Thank you. There are a ton of lettuce varieties out there, each offering unique textures and flavors. The four main types are romaine, which are tall, crunchy leaves that are perfect for salads and wraps; butterhead, soft, buttery leaves often used in gourmet salads; loose leaf. These grow in loose bunches, making them super easy to harvest as needed; and iceberg, classic for its crispy, dense heads. When choosing which lettuce to grow, think about what you'll use it for. Loose leaf varieties are perfect if you want to harvest leaves regularly, while heading types like romaine and iceberg take a little bit longer but are great for full harvests. This is my recommendation. It's 15 different types of lettuces. You get 17,725 seeds in total, and this is my affiliate link, and I will get a commission if you buy through this link. Now, I want you to try 15 different packs, and that way you can kind of see which one you like instead of just buying one pack and you didn't really, you don't really learn that much from one pack. But from 15 different types, I feel like you're going to find a lettuce that you like, that's easy to grow, that works in your environment. So this is why I recommend it. Thank you for using my affiliate link. Now let's talk about how to plant your lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season crop, meaning it prefers temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees. The best part? You can start growing lettuce indoors in seed trays or directly in the garden if the weather's right. Here's what you'll need: quality lettuce seeds, seed starting trays or a garden bed, well-draining soil rich in organic matter, a sunny spot, or grow lights if you're starting indoors. Lettuce seeds are super tiny, so when planting, scatter them on the soil surface and cover them lightly, about 1/4 inch of soil. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. Once your seeds are planted, you'll want to keep them in a spot that gets good light. About 6 hours a day if you're growing indoors. Place your seed trays near a sunny window or under grow lights. Lettuce typically takes 7 to 10 days to germinate, so be patient and keep the soil moist. Check out these seedlings. Once they're a few inches tall, it's time to thin them out. This means removing some plants to give the others room to grow. If they're too crowded, they'll compete for nutrients and no one wants a weak salad. Or you can see here, we're just transplanting them with lots of space. When your seedlings have a few true leaves, it's time to transplant them. Whether you're planting in a garden or in containers, make sure to space your lettuce about 8 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. This gives the roots plenty of room to grow and ensures each plant gets enough light and air. Be gentle when transplanting. Lettuce has delicate roots. Water them right after planting to help them settle in their new home. Lettuce loves water but doesn't like soggy roots. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but well drained. Water your lettuce early in the morning so the leaves can dry off during the day, which helps prevent disease. For fertilizer, lettuce is a light feeder. If your soil is rich in organic matter, you won't need much, but a gentle organic fertilizer can give them a boost during their growth. Unfortunately, Lettuce can attract pests like aphids, slugs, and even rabbits. To keep them at bay, you can use floating row covers to protect the plants, sprinkle diatomaceous earth around the base of the plants to deter slugs, and spray with natural insecticidal soap for aphids. Lettuce is ready to harvest in about 30 to 60 days, depending on the variety. For loose leaf types, you can snip off the outer leaves as needed, which will let the plant keep growing for a continuous harvest. For heading varieties like romaine and iceberg, wait until the head is fully formed, then cut it off at the base. Fresh lettuce from the garden, there's nothing like it, and because you've grown it yourself, you know it's organic and chemical free. And fresh. Want to get more lettuce without planting new seeds? You can regrow lettuce from scraps. After you cut the lettuce head, leave about an inch of the base. Place it in a shallow dish of water, and after a few days, new leaves will start to grow. It won't form a full head again, but you'll get some fresh greens for salad. After harvesting, you'll want to keep your lettuce fresh. Wash the leaves thoroughly, let them dry well. A salad spinner works great for this. Store the leaves in the refrigerator in a perforated plastic bag or container with a damp paper towel. This way, they'll stay crisp for up to a week. Now, let's make a super simple garden salad with our fresh lettuce. All you need is fresh lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette. Toss everything together and you've got a delicious fresh salad straight from the garden. Yay! And that's how you grow lettuce from seed to finish. Whether you're planting in the garden, containers, or regrowing from scraps, lettuce is one of the easiest and most rewarding crops to grow. I hope this guide has inspired you to get out there and start your own lettuce garden. If you have any questions or tips, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. And this is Garden Fun Times, where gardening is fun when you know what you're doing. See you guys later. Bye.